Ute give me teen as guys who have a problem with Uti. But see phone for play.
What's the
for
play, my brother, first?
Bambe up my brother.
Because they are people
for a woman
Yeah.
to find pleasure or to come even. It's not just a sexual thing. It's also a mental thing. Mfake kule mood.
Romance.
You understand my brother?
Communication, we talk about it.
Thank you, my brother.
Romance.
Listen, my brother.
Man.
Let me
Let
me cook my brother.
Okay.
Now the brew.
Let's activate.
The brew now does everything. Nisho mina kuthatha my brother amthathe sister samfake mafikeng town.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But now when it comes to the Mkonto overseas, when now the Mkonto doesn't do the things anymore. You understand?
Yeah.
And the sisters like, my brother, now it's 5 rounds and still so ngagcina ngale town angifikanga anyway my brother when you like I'm the shit.
Yeah, when you're norm.
And then that's when this is my brother.
Mm.
Now they DJ themselves, my brother.
Good plan.
They DJ themselves, my brother.
DJ.
Now they DJ themselves, my brother. They're like, you know what? Yeah, they're like, my brother, you know what? So when I saw my brother, I'm going to hip. So then so big too. Yeah, but what's the 1 2 2 1 2 DJ. Hi.
That's what it, party ilona i-sex talk is all about ukulo umuntu mamfeel wangamfeel dog angeke vele endeke
I always say.
if umuntu wamfeel dog uthi wena utendela wena na utendela yena ngokuthi DJ wena utendela ushaya wandrabulana if isikhuluma liqiniso leliphelela dog if umuntu ngamfeel
Yeah.
ukuthi ungakwenda dog ushaya wandrabulana athi yakubambe ebusuku ungamfuni khulelo khadrisha phela you know ukuthi kunenge after net baqeda kushaya uvo ngahamba same time because of so but if umfila umuntu ne
that's not normal.
yathi umuntu umfila yathi umuntu umfila umbona so
True.
that's what you saying ukuthi umuntu ubona umuntu ehamba nemuntu uthi na future girlfriend yami
My brother, sometimes they disappoint my brother. Like you feel lena mara masakala you like it's not the one.
So nini so pretend must kiss after sex is cuddlisha.
Ayibanga ayiwonke umuntu.
Yeah, but the brother is curious balangelo ukuthi pretend.
Kure out ukuthi cuddlisha.
Okay, can I ask? My brother, let me. I think my brother. I had an encounter with this lady, ne?
Yeah.
Physically,
Yeah.
she's not my type.
Okay.
She wasn't. I was like,
Your type, yeah.
yeah, but because she's into me. I'm like, okay. You understand, my brother? She's pretty. She's very pretty.
Yeah.
Mara, when we did the deed, my brother, my brother. Now I had to run away. My brother I was like, ngafeka show, ngafeka. I was like, you, hey. And then next, nothing came out.
Nah.
So I wanna know, my brother, do you guys do the same thing?
So beka to
my best fakers.
Let mo never fake like they do actually.
No. Sivala sin our plus says no nasivala nanginemntwana
So figure.
yasho ukuthi sebabafuna endlini. Sivala sin another episode because this one
Sivala ngokuthi Mjolo is a pandemic, number 1.
number 2
fucked up.
Everything.
Yeah, get senselana. Yeah.
Can I say my piece, guys? Can I say my piece, guys? Can I say my piece?
Sorry.
Number 1, Cholo is a pandemic. But see everything, Cholo is fucked up. But I think if we're being honest, if it's not honest, it's be intentional. It's communicating. I think things will be better. You understand? If good tell me straight go, would die. If good uyamkhalela, I'm telling you straight up. Thank you, my brother. You understand?
Papa.
You understand, my brother?
Yeah.
I think that's where it's at now, my brother.
Are we there?
Nah, that's where it's at, my brother. If you feel like when I'm calling my sister, it's fine. Yabo. But if you in Jani, Puma game in, my
I
brother.
don't say Van. Your last words as a woman. Your last word as a woman. Kamakukrina, what you wanna say to you dear today?
Angututa nathengisa stoba right. Adlala shem guys, but honestly, ne, shut this song to do is fucked up.
I say Van.
I say Vala.
I value.
We are fucked up.